Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick, practical update for Instagram users who want to keep their video call notifications private on the lock screen. If you've ever received a peek of someone's name or thumbnail when your phone is locked, you'll appreciate this simple, straightforward fix. First, head into your phone's settings. This is where many notification controls live, and it's the gateway to keeping your privacy intact. Once you're in settings, locate the apps section. This is where your installed apps are managed, giving you granular control over how and when they alert you. In apps, find Instagram. It's one of the most used apps, so it's usually easy to spot. Tap on Instagram to open its specific settings. Here you'll see a tailored set of options just for the app, from permissions to notifications, which is exactly what we need for this privacy tweak. Next, tap on notifications. This is where you'll see every type of alert Instagram can send. For many users, the direct video call notifications are the ones that reveal content on the lock screen, which is what we want to hide. Look through the notification categories until you spot Instagram Direct Video Call. Tap on Instagram Direct Video Call. You'll be presented with several choices about how notifications appear. To protect your privacy on the lock screen, choose Lock Screen. Then select Hide Content. This setting ensures that when a video call comes in, your lock screen will show only that there is a notification without exposing the caller's name, thumbnail, or any message content. With the content hidden, you still receive the notification itself, so you won't miss the call. It's a quiet improvement that helps keep conversations private, especially in shared or public spaces. If you ever want to tweak it again, you can return to the same path and switch back to show content or explore other lock screen options for different apps. That's it, 3 simple steps to keep sensitive call details out of sight while you stay connected.